I got you 2 carat diamond earrings.
You know that I hate vegetables.
Hey! It's my favorite time of the year!
What time is that?
It's diving time! No! It's the holidays!
Okay, there you go. That's
Isn't
what
that
I
your favorite
thought.
time of the year?
Holidays?
Holidays?
Yes.
Holidays are like a vacation from life. You can do whatever you want, whenever you want, and do it however you want. We have some great holiday prank gifts.
10 holiday prank gifts that we're gonna show you how to make today.
We have
Beats headphones. Get it? Beats.
Beats
Head
by
band.
Dre. Hey,
By Dre.
hey, Brandy, why don't I drop this beat? Oh!
Oh, that joke was so bad. I'm gonna have to beat you. Puns are funs. Okay, so I got some hot glue on this beat.
Well, no, that's not how. Have you ever seen headphones? Like headphones, like Beats by Dre.
Stop yelling at
What
me.
were you making?
It's Christmas time.
Right there. See? Teamwork makes the world work. Wow, you look so hip now, Brandy.
Okay, so the next one that we're making is this baby. Ran out of coal. A little toilet paper. It's a present. So it's super easy to make. All you have to do is get this ribbon off. It's super simple.
The hardest part is getting the sticker off.
Yeah, and then you just write, ran out of coal. Do you want to do it?
My penmanship is terrible.
This gift is for that friend that maybe was a little naughty this year or got you Beats headphones.
And
Why did I trust you?
Brandy, so like, I know like we've been friends for like a long time, but like, I was just wondering like, I got you 2 carat diamond earrings.
Whoa, Vitali, this is way too soon. You know that I hate vegetables.
Grinch pills. We got some green Tic Tacs.
Yeah.
And a baggie, and you'll need a printer for this one.
You're gonna print something out like this, saying Grinch pills, and then you're gonna cut that out.
And then this little baggie.
Don't you hate when your friends give you a gift, but the battery's not included?
What? Worst thing ever!
Well, now you can make something even more worse. Gift not included. So all you need are batteries.
For that person, you know, just like feeling like a princess or a diva in your life, you can always provide them with this.
An emergency tiara, because every princess needs it. Okay, now this present is for some of your smellier friends. I'm not gonna name anyone specific, but
Wait, no!
What? What?
First of all, no.
Fart blockers for your friend
So that I don't
that just
smell
can't
your
hold it in.
farts.
All you need are some corks here, a little baggie again, and then you print out the words fart plugs, and you cut them out. You staple it on. No, I'm gonna do it. And there you have it. Super simple, easy.
Brandy, why do we have this hand sanitizer out on the table?
Because you can make Sanitizer.
Oh, this
Hand
is just a
sanitizer.
straight
Oh,
up
gosh.
pond. And again, it's
Yeah.
like very practical and
Yeah.
useful. So like your friend's gonna be like, oh,
Buy it. Buy it now.
buy it
Sanitizer.
today. You've been naughty, so here's the scoop. Your Christmas present is some snowman poop.
Wow. It's actually just mini marshmallows. So what you need, mini marshmallows,
Okay,
a baggie,
okay.
and some printed out words. Just a little label here.
Hey, Brandy, why are you holding an umbrella?
I don't know.
Because it's raining cash! So all you need is to print out some fake money. You can
Yeah.
probably find these online, or if you have Monopoly, you could use Monopoly money. So like if you just gave this to your friend, one way to do this is you just glue these on. And they're like, oh, it's raining. The another way to do it is you
With
just give
tape.
them with tape, yeah.
Tape
You
them
tape
on.
it have some string, tape it on.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe.
And comment below which your favorite prank gift was.
Thank you so much for watching. Bye!
Bye! Happy holidays!